Today I'm going to teach you my favorite banana bread recipe. Pay attention. It's really simple. There's nothing complicated or fancy about it. There's some chocolate chips, pecans, brown sugar, white sugar, a bit of brown butter. We're going to mix it all up, mash some bananas, get them in the oven. I love having banana bread around the house. I love having it to snack on in the morning. It's great for breakfast. It's not that healthy for you, but it's delicious, so that's fine. Banana bread also makes a great gift to give to somebody, give to your loved ones. Pay attention to this video because you're gonna learn something new today, okay? So we need to start with 1 stick of butter. 115 grams of butter is gonna go into a pan to turn noisette color. Starts going. Next step is we need to take our sugars and start whisking them in a bowl, getting them mixed together, all right? Because then we're gonna add the butter to it before we add the eggs. So I got 100 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of white sugar. Whisk that together. Break up all the big clumps of brown sugar in there and just make sure it's really well mixed together. In this bowl with the flour, I have 190 grams of all-purpose flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Just give that a nice mix together, get it fully involved. I'm gonna transfer my sugars to a bigger bowl. I'm gonna get my bananas getting mashed up in here. So 3 bananas, you want them as ripe as possible, to the point where you almost don't want to eat them. Now we just get nice and mashy with them. Take the back of a fork, just mess them up a little bit, make them. Bananas. Got my eggs, got toasted, chopped pecans. So our butter's where we want it. Nice and golden brown color, burn noisette. Let that butter cool down for a second. Just take a stick of butter, rub the stick of butter on the inside of the baking pan. All right, just get butter all over the place. Then get some sugar in there, and you're gonna line this baking tin with sugar, like you would with flour, but with sugar. Knock it all the way around. This is gonna not only prevent the banana bread from sticking, it's also gonna caramelize, give a nice flavor and crust to the outside. And then once it sits, it's gonna sort of turn, not wet, but it's gonna give the banana bread a nice coating on the outside. It's gonna be very soft and moist. Brown butter into the sugar. Smells delicious. Give that a whisk. Now, 1 egg at a time. 2 eggs total. Nice and mixed together. Now we're gonna go in with the banana. Give that a nice little mixy-mixy. Flour with baking soda and salt in. Careful not to overmix it. In with your chocolate chips and in with your toasted pecan halves. That was 120 grams of chocolate chips and 50 grams of toasted pecans. That's going straight into a 350-degree oven. We're gonna set a 50-minute timer. All right, see you in 50 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 55 minutes. I got my banana bread here, it's been in the oven. It's really hot. It needs time to cool down before you do anything with it. So make sure you let it sit for, I would say, at least another hour. You really want it to sit, steam to sit in there, relax, and you wanna be able to pop it out so that it doesn't break, it doesn't get all the steam doesn't come pouring out of it, and you really just kind of want to let it sit, okay? So let's do that. I'll see you guys in 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. What we're gonna do now is take our banana bread and pop it out of the tin, okay? Gently, straight out. Now, that looks delicious. All the sugar that we put on the outside on the tin sort of caramelized against it, starting to form a shiny crust on the outside, which is going to be really nice. So let's cut into it and try it. So good. This is the only banana bread recipe that you need. Now, when you store it, I like to wrap it completely with cling film because it gives that sugar chance to break down a little bit and give a nice little shine to the outside. I store it like this out of the fridge. Beautiful, amazing, delicious banana bread. Follow for more.